Hello there, Michael from the Urban Homestead Academy. As you can see, we're getting ready to plant our spuds. We've just got to hill them up now and they're all done. We've actually got 25 varieties that we're saving this year of potatoes. The first year on the homestead we saved around about 5. The second year we saved about 15, I think it was. And the third year, we're in our third year here, we've saved 25 varieties. The question is, well, why would we want to save 25 varieties and possibly more next year of potatoes? And really the simple answer to that is really what's happened with agriculture, especially over the last 100 years. It's undergone a tremendous change. Traditionally what farmers have done, they've done two things. They've produced food and they've also saved their seeds for next year's crops. So by doing those two things, that's where food security happens. By growing the food, saving the seeds for next year, you've got food for the following year and for future generations. But what's happening in a modern farming model now is that farmers have become very, very efficient and excellent food producers. So they produce the food, but then year in, year out, they go back to the seed companies and the big corporations who sell them the seed. So the traditional model where farmers have grown the food, saved the seed, it no longer exists for the most part. So that raises the question, if modern farmers don't save seed for next year's crops, who's going to be saving the seeds? And the answer to that, of course, is really home gardeners and community groups. So that's the reason why we're saving 25 varieties of potatoes here, because basically if we don't do it, no one else will. Governments won't do it, multinational corporations won't do it. It's no use talking about it, we have to actually take action and do it ourselves. So farmers are fantastic, as I said, food producers. We owe a lot to our farmers. It's a very difficult business to be in, one of the most difficult businesses you can possibly be involved in, and they do a tremendous job. But as I said, they become food producers but not food securers. So we have to fill in the gap and make sure that normal people, you and me, are saving our seeds for next year's crops. So that's why we have 25 varieties of potatoes here, and next year we'll probably up that to 30 or 40. I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what the direction modern farming has gone and why we need to save our own seeds for future generations. Anyway, it's Michael from the Urban Homestead Academy. Have a great day.